Temporary Instagram deactivation. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to actually learn how we can temporarily deactivate the Instagram account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to basically temporarily deactivate your Instagram account, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all launch the Instagram application here. Once you launch the Instagram app, you will see this type of interface. Just tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Then make sure to tap on the three lines option from the top right hand side. Then over there you'll find the option known as Account Center. So make sure to tap on Account Center. After that, under Account Settings, you'll find the option known as Personal Details. So just make sure to tap on the Personal Details option. And after you have done that, simply go to the option called Account Ownership and Control and tap on it. And once done, over there you'll find Deactivation or Deletion. Tap on it. Then select your Instagram account. Then after you have done that, just select the option called Deactivate Account. This is temporary, so anytime you want to reactivate it, you can just try to log into Instagram, tap on Continue, enter the password, and your Instagram account will get temporarily deactivated. That's all it takes to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.